In today's world, we run endlessly after money, success, and validation. But deep inside, something still feels incomplete, broken, restless. But what if the real journey is not outside? What if the answers you seek are already within? In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna said, better to follow your own path even with mistakes than live someone else's life perfectly. Because only your Swadharma can bring you true peace. This retreat is not just a program, it is a calling to come home to your true self, beyond your name, your role, your burdens. When Arjuna stood lost in the middle of the Kurukshetra, confused and afraid, Lord Krishna did not tell him to run. He reminded him of his strength, his truth, his purpose. That same reminder is waiting for you. In this 2-day space, we breathe, reflect, and reconnect through yoga, breathwork, journaling, and deep inner work. You will listen to the voice of your soul, the one you have been ignoring. This is more than a retreat. It's your inner Kurukshetra and your time to awaken, to live from purpose, not pressure, to choose presence, not performance. If you have ever asked, why am I here? What is my role in this world? Then maybe this is not just a coincidence. It's your time, your path, your Swadharma.